she's sticking with me to the end. She was there since the beginning, so I'll never switch. I told her we gon' make it to the top, and when we get up there, I'm not gon' stop loving her. I ain't gon' put.
Y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just gonna be me talking about my experience wearing a frontal so far, because last week I got this frontal installed by a professional. She killed it. I'm gonna insert a video because she is bomb AF. Shout out to her. And then shout out to my girl for making this wig too. They both came together and just bodied this, okay, and I love it so much. And a hair review on this hair is coming really soon. So I really feel like this video is gonna be short, sweet, and to the point, because I really haven't had any problems with wearing a frontal so far. So like, I want to let the people know that are thinking about wearing frontals. I'm gonna let y'all know that, I mean, I'm not gonna say that like it's a ton of maintenance, because there's some people that are always like, oh my god, frontals are a ton of maintenance. And like, when I had got it installed, I was kind of scared, because I was like, ooh, what if I'm gonna have to like touch this up every single day? And I just now touched it up Wednesday, so that's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. That's 6 days with Got to Be Glue, the freeze spray. That's what she used. I feel like if you put a scarf on every night and you make sure that your scarf doesn't come off every night, I really feel like you would be able to get some wear out of that Got to Be Glue. Because I've heard some people say that like if they put Got to Be Glue on like their edges to like lay down their wig, that it lasts them for like a day. So it's cold outside. It's currently November, so I think that's also part of the reason why my frontal is lasting so long. But I'm also a dancer, and I go to dance rehearsals, and I sweat in my head. I don't sweat like on my forehead. Like, I sweat in my scalp. But I don't really have nothing bad to say about frontals. I was hearing all kinds of stuff about frontals. Oh my god, don't get a frontal, it's gonna be a ton of maintenance. But I really be finding a way to like finesse stuff and make stuff last longer than it normally does. So every night I put a scarf on, and I just make sure the scarf covers my whole perimeter, so I can make sure that it stays down. And sometimes I pin curl it at night. I haven't been pin curling it lately, just because I got some like really weird ugly curls when I pin curled it. So I was like, no, I'm not finna pin curl it. So these are the kind of waves that I got. I use a curling iron as a curling wand just because I do not have a curling wand. So I just, you know, I wrap it around, I wrap the hair around the curling iron, and then I just, you know, y'all know how to make waves. I don't have to tell y'all. So you come to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. In this case, it's probably gonna be the review for this hair and me actually installing this unit. So I'll see y'all in my next video.